For billions of years, an interaction between the ocean, land, and atmosphere has shaped our climate. A key part of this interaction is carbon dioxide, or CO2. In this view of Earth, we see carbon dioxide being absorbed through the seasons. The darker the green, the higher the concentration of CO2. When plants on land and phytoplankton in the ocean grow, they take in CO2 and release oxygen. This process is called photosynthesis. When these carbon-rich plankton and plants die, they are buried deep in the ground and in the bottom of the ocean, taking CO2 with them. Over time, some of that buried carbon becomes fossil fuels. Coal, oil, and natural gas. Our use of fossil fuels has transformed modern life. In this view, yellow is for urban areas, red is for roads, blue is for shipping lanes, and green for air corridors. We rely on fossil fuels for nearly everything, from transportation to building to food production. Every time we burn these fossil fuels, we take carbon out of the ground and put it into the atmosphere. Our energy use is radically tipping the carbon balance. Data spanning the last 400,000 years show that carbon dioxide levels have fluctuated. But during that time, CO2 always remained below 300 parts per million. In the 1950s, CO2 levels started skyrocketing, and they will soar even higher if we continue business as usual. This rapid increase in CO2 is dramatically changing Earth's climate and ocean. We are ill prepared for the consequences. Increased CO2 is changing the ocean's chemistry. Data collected from ships crisscrossing the globe indicate the ocean is becoming more acidic. Ocean acidification is beginning to dissolve the shells of many creatures, including those at the base of the ocean's food webs. The effects will ripple through our fishing communities to the billions of people that rely on food from the ocean for their survival. More CO2 in the atmosphere increases Earth's temperature. In this data set, the darker the red, the greater the change in average temperature since 1940. CO2 is a heat-trapping gas that acts like a greenhouse, keeping the air inside warm and moist. Warmer global temperature threatens plant and animal life. Blooming and migration cycles are changing. Coral bleaching events are becoming a common occurrence, destroying coral reefs around the world. Diseases that flourish in warmer weather are spreading. Warmer global temperature fuels more powerful storms, hurricanes, typhoons, and blizzards. It also makes sea level rise, greatly increasing the damage caused by storm surges. More extreme weather, both flooding and droughts, are becoming commonplace. Habitats are changing for all species, including people. In the Arctic, sea ice is melting, permafrost is thawing. Entire villages are being destroyed by coastal erosion. Arctic cultures that have been here for thousands of years face a precarious future, as do we all. But we can confront that future by taking a look at the past.